Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a new trade that we just got in. This is a 2020 Trifecta 25RF Sport with the 3.0 Plus package on it. This is a tritoon. It's a 25-foot boat. We've got our tune guard on here. As you can see, this has a fiberglass cladded front section on it. We've got integrated dock and nav lights, pop-up cleats forward and aft. As we move to the back, you can see this boat has a full wraparound windshield. We also have a power cladded sports arch up here on top. Moving back to the rear of the boat, we've got the big old Mercury 400 racing engine. Over here on the starboard side, we've got a really nice boarding ladder. Climb on up and I can show you some more features inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 2020 Trifecta 25RF Sport with the 3.0 Plus package, and we've got our arch on this boat as well. Looking up here in the bow, we have lots of spacious seating on both the starboard and port side. There's cup holders that are tucked away in your backrest area. There's storage underneath both of these chase lounges. We've got storage underneath our backrests on both sides, as well as comfortable fold-down armrests. Centerline, we have in-floor storage, and of course, even more storage underneath both our port and starboard consoles. Moving back to the helm, super comfortable captain's chair that reclines and has our fold-down armrests, tilt steering wheel, and we have a nice large digital display up here on the dash for all of your running stats, your audio, your lighting, all your accessories. There is also a toggle switch there to go through your menus. This also has a rear view camera, so if you're pulling somebody on a tube or a wakeboard, you can see them behind you. We've got a nice little phone spot here to tuck your phone away. Horn, power cutoff for your dash. Over here on the port side console, we're going to have a sink as well as an observer screen for your audio and a glove compartment. More JL audio tucked away down there. Moving back, you can see we've got our JL audio pods up on the arch. We've also got fold-out wakeboard racks on both sides and a nice bimini top. Over here on this side, we've got a fold-up changing curtain that's real easy to deploy once you move that captain's seat up a little bit. We've also got a spot for our trash can here, more fold-down armrests as we move back, and storage underneath both sides. We're also going to have a wash down here, so if you need to spray your feet off whenever you're getting back on the boat from hanging out on the beach, you can. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you want to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.